Hey everybody, it's your girl Kimberly Steward and I am back with Lipstick 365 2022 edition. Yeah! So listen, I love. Did I say love enough times? Love lippies, especially a red lip, especially brown girls in a red lip. So I am back to show you guys 365 days of different types of lipstick. They won't always be red, but join me, go along for the ride. So let's start with day one. It's called Deep. So I started with a eye pencil by a brand called NK in the color brown. Listen, I got this pencil at a beauty supply store, so just use a warm brown. Make sure to line the top and the bottom of your lips. Fill in the sides and press your lips together to get the color to blend. The reason why we're using a liner with such a bold lip color is to make sure that our lips are defined. Next, we're going to use a matte lip paint by Colored Raine in the color Red Sea. I am excited about this color, you guys. Look at how it's going on. Make sure to fill in all of your lip. If you're like me, you got a little ways to go. All right, now you know what to do. Press those lips together and make sure that you have full coverage. And voila, that's it. This color is bold, daring, and ready to go.